In today's video, I'm going to show you how to homemade my favorite mango smoothie. And in this video, I'm going to utilize 4 of the ripe champagne mangoes, lychee, and the coconut milk. And for the equipment, you just need the regular, very simple smoothie blender, okay? Slice and dice the mango, and then add into the coconut milk. And in this case, I don't need to add additional sugar because the ripe mango is super sweet already. Then simply press the blend button for 10 seconds. Then that's ready to serve. And there are 2 ways to enjoy this dessert. You either have this as a smoothie and decorate it with slices of mango and lychee, so it looks like a flower petals, or freeze it into a mango popsicle.